Hey, my name is Weston Galloway and I'm the Global Product Line Manager for ASICS Running, and today we're talking about the Fujitrabuco Pro trail shoe. The Fujitrabuco Pro trail shoe is a lightweight, nimble shoe for all runners who enjoy running on aggressive trails. The outsole features uphill and downhill lugs for all types of traction. On the medial side or inside, the lugs are facing backwards to help with traction going uphill. On the outside in the heel, the lugs are facing forwards to help you with traction going downhill. The one-piece upper is a monosock, which is like a booty construction that keeps debris out, and it enhances the fit and provides a glove-like wrap around the foot. The one-pull lacing system allows runners to adjust their laces quickly for the optimal fit. The midsole is made from flight foam technology, which is extremely lightweight and provides optimal comfort. The midsole also has a rock protection plate that guards against jagged rocks and roots. Another great feature of this shoe is the ASICS Grip outsole. It provides great durability, but also very sticky traction on wet rocks. If you're looking for a lightweight protective trail shoe with exceptional traction, the Fujitrabuco Pro trail shoe is for you. For more information